Welcome back to my channel, everybody. This morning, May 15th, we did not go turkey hunting. It was a big storm out and we decided to sleep in. But anyways, on this video I'm going to be doing a little review of the JET-TH15 tactical flashlight. This thing is 1300 lumens and a handheld flashlight, so this thing is the real deal. We'll go ahead and get the GoPro set up and we'll go ahead and unbox this and check this little bugger out. Okay, so here it is right here. The JET-TH15 made by JETBeam. This is a 1300 lumens tactical flashlight, and as you can see, it's waterproof and impact resistant. Has a light beam out to 228 meters. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Check out, here's all the specs. It's designed for camping, hiking, personal defense, law enforcement, different modes, which we'll talk about and go through. And it's got a USB rechargeable battery. That's pretty handy. It's got a clip and tactical ring included in the package. It is 15 centimeters long. Let's go ahead and open this bugger up. It lasts 145 hours on a full battery charge. Okay, so here's the package it comes in. Looks like it comes with a little carrying case right there. You can attach that to a belt. Here's your charging cable, USB cable, and a little strap you can attach to it. Right there, so JETBeam on it. Here's your clip, and then you have user's manual right there, TH15. That's in English. Your warranty card, and then you have your certificate of approval. This product has passed quality inspection. Okay, so let's get to the main event here. Let's see if it comes already charged. Maybe not. Or actually, sometimes the battery has a little plastic thing in between it to stop it. Check this out. This is the battery back here. You just untwist that, and then yes, it does. It's got one of those little plastic guards in there. Now we'll put it back on. First thing you notice when you get it is this thing's really well built. I mean, this is all metal and heavy duty. You can tell that this could really take a beating. Here's the on and off switch right here. You got your first mode, and then if I double click it, it should go to strobe. Oh, there's your brightness modes right there on this button. Man, that gets bright. We'll take it down to the basement where you'll be able to see it better. There's your strobe right there. So you have to double click that for strobe. It is a set beam. You can't, focus a beam anymore. It is what it is. But let's check out this USB charging port. It says right on the battery. There's your battery right there. Yep. Right there's your USB charging port. which that goes right in there, like that. And you have a green and red light, and when it's charging, the red light will be on, and when it's all charged, the green light will come on. So that's that. Let's go down in the dark and test it out. It is a bright light. Okay folks, if you guys are interested in getting one of these JETBeam flashlights, look in the description below. I'll put the link to their page down there, and also I'll put the link to their Twitter page and their Facebook page as well, and you guys can go right over there and get yourself one of these bad boys. They're really well built flashlight, in my opinion. I think they'll work great. They're super bright. They hold a charge for a long time, and for all of us hunters and stuff, we use flashlights all the time. I mean, in almost every scenario, you're in the dark at some point using a flashlight. Okay folks, that's going to go ahead and do it for this video. Be sure to tune in for tomorrow's episode. Kaylee and I are going to be chasing that turkey behind the house once again. Hopefully we can get on him, and maybe Kaylee can take him out. We'll find out, and so will you. Thanks for watching, everybody.